Hello, hello, sad. Bye, hello, welcome. Hi. Hello, Squiddy. Hello, hello. Placer, hello, hello, Hackermans assemble. All right, that's actually pretty good. Oh wait, there's another one. So D. Oh, Pete, it's all right. It's all right. It's all good. XCB. So I think that's what we do. Yeah. Get render dimensions. Ooh, you are doing great. That's amazing. I am so not hyped to rewrite to I'm so not hyped to do that, to figure out what's the correct EGL mappings. It's probably very easy. Right, so wait for events. This should be something on the display. Platform specific. Да-да-да, я что-то такое слышал. So fuck, I forgot the name of the movie. Wait, I just literally like saw it. I'm not really following Oscars, to be honest. That's why I'm not really. It's not really in my head. But people are very hyped because, you know, obviously Russians are involved in Oscars. So where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Fuck. Anora, right? Recent moon landing? I haven't seen anything, no. Looks cool as fuck. Ooh. Yeah, those are some cool photos for sure. Wow. Yeah, that looks actually amazing. Is this like just an... so they didn't send actual people this time, right? It was just like a automatic module or some shit. It's just a machine, I see. I'm not strong enough to send more people to the moon. Yeah, thank you. And it was the private company, actually. Yeah, so Firefly Aerospace. Okay. I see. Yeah, I'll check it out later. Thank you. Let me open it in my browser. Window info platform specific. What the fuck is this? Where is it even used? Specific. But I will have everything specific on my own struct. So this is like literally not needed. Right, so let me check if... So it should be all somewhere in SIMP. Okay, so Windows has HDC. Then what Linux? gel X window here. There's also some texture platform specific. Then what's that? Make current. Oh yeah. So in set render to. I mean, this is cool. We can probably do that. We can put all of the OpenGL specific stuff in simp and don't carry around in our platform layer. I think that sounds fine to me, at least for now. You know, this is alright, I think. And so I can put if OS equals Linux. So let me comment this out and so like EGL window is gonna be window. Now what we have here, find window, EGL window, like this, and I guess it's gonna be EGL swap. Yeah, EGL swap buffers, and it accepts the the display and the surface. Oh shit. So it's gonna be window dot display dot handle. And then info specific. So this should be actually like a surface, not necessarily a window, right? So EGL surface. Понимаю. So when you mean доставлять, you mean like literally deliver? So like with a courier? So you have to like hire a bodyguards or some shit? Because otherwise they get like mobbed and stuff. Is this what you mean? Or do you mean like it's hard to produce? Undeclared identifier EGL window because what? Backend init. All right. So sure, this should import correct OpenGL backend, and I guess it should be happening on. Yes, it does import OpenGL. Oh, there's no such thing as EGL window, so this is like EGL surface. Right. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So EGL surface. Surfacer. Now, X geometry we will handle later. Now let's handle wait for events. And so this is one of those things that, you know, this is where the input module comes into play, and I have to bring it in from an actual module. which is probably fine because, like, let's be honest, I want the input module to be in my platform layer. Yes. We have to get insurance for it. We have to package it a certain way. We have to send it with security. Yeah, that's what I thought. And we have to get payment first. Yeah, that's fair enough. Yeah, the security part I guessed, but yeah, the transportation requirements and insurance also make sense. It's gotta be like rough business with like competitors smuggling around and shit. Let me open the focus source code so I can snatch the platform layer for XCB. Oh shit. Wait for events, it is called. And we need like, so it's gonna be platform wait for events. We just, I think I can just remove that. And same for waking up main thread. Yeah, this, I'm gonna leave this for now. I'm gonna later rename that, and yeah, wait for message will be just on our in our GDL, right? So here we have get dimensions, right? And it's gonna be wait for events. This actually, I realized yesterday, this should be either inline or a macro. I guess inline is fine. And wait for events is gonna be same shit. Also inline. I guess we will pass a window here. And then the window will be like window display wait for events or some shit. Hey Carlito, hey Leonte, welcome people, hello. Hello. Yeah, maybe. This is like, I want to make it work as fast as I can without thinking about API too much. And then my plan is that I will harden it when I go back to Windows and everything crashes and I have to do it for Windows. And then I actually want to start another application and I will be using this platform layer with another app so we can harden it even more. I mean, we will obviously improve some basic things about API as an ability to handle multiple contexts, right? I'm gonna rename display to something else because I don't like the word display because it's too Linux specific. But yeah, we will improve it as we go. Right, so create window and declare identifier window with, what the fuck is this? Yeah, so this should be like S32. There you go. The window, create window display, and it's like the display. Trying to fit 64 bits. Oh shit. There's absolutely no reason to use S64 for that. It's like pretty stupid if you ask me. Mismatching level of indirection type 1. Again, it thinks that it's 32-bit integer. But like how? Oh, no, wait, platform window after day. It thinks that this one is a 32-bit integer. But like, where does it get it from? Oh, shit. Well, sure. And that's actually why it was complaining yesterday, because of this shit. I thought it was because of input that imported window type, but it was because of me, because I literally set it to XCB type T. Yikes. So what's that? Global display? Yeah, we don't have display, we just literally do this. Right, and display window. So this is incorrect. Because we will, this is an array of windows actually. So this should be right, and then like this, and then so like that, I guess. Windows and right, I guess something like this, and naturally. What's that? Argument background color RGB. What's that? Oh yeah. Why doing background color RGB? Does it exist on... Oh, it exists, so but we need the default color. Yeah, but we need the default color. What's the default window creation color, I wonder? It was, I think, in module, right? Yes, there it is. And we can just copy it. Somewhere here. And we can put it as a default parameter in here. Yep. Look at this. We're getting closer. Yes, yes, I know. This is honestly stuff like that, the platform specific stuff should go like into init, I think, where you are exposed, right? If you do Windows, you're literally exposed, like register classics W arguments or some shit like this. Although, I mean, you know, you can set default background in X11. with like background pixel or some shit. It is possible, you can do that. So it's not like it's specific by nature. It's more like in Jai's window creation, it is dictated by Windows platform layer. Right, but we will give it a polish or something. So set custom cursor handling. It's where? It's in getRect. When you use OpenGL, unless you show window before creating a context, yeah, I don't think it does anything. Set custom cursor handling. Where's that? Pointer and frame, pointer image. Where is this? It's in system. Aha, so this is like for cursor or some shit. I assume this gets set somewhere. Here you see, so it exists. Oh, it's unimplemented. Oh, and it didn't work because I removed. Why do we need this at all? Set this frame, already reset pointer image, get rect set pointer image. This itself says the pointer image and already set, so don't assume anything. Pointer handling contribution. We change custom cursor handling each frame depending on whether we set the cursor or not. The reason is, if we did set the cursor, we don't want Windows to set it back, which it seems, oh shit, to do every frame. But if we didn't want to set the cursor, we don't want to pay attention to Windows cursor changes. For example, as the cursor mouses over Windows resize frame. Where's the Windows implementation? I want to take a look at it. So macOS, I assume also. Yeah. Windows ignores the cursor message. Okay. Okay. I see. I mean, in our case, this is our, yeah. I can just go to input, and here in our module, right, instead of doing Linux, we should do XCB layer here. In focus, I think the input is embedded within the Linux display, right? So it's literally here, LDX, so it's all here, right? No, not LDX, it's in XCB. Where is it? LDXCB. Init display, init window, create window. What's that? Scaling. Yeah, there you go. Right, it's all here. So what we can do here is we can, I I guess load linux.jai. Right, but linux.jai. So instead of X11, I guess. And it will like import like I guess something like this, and it will kind of have a base function that will call into the implementations. And this way, I guess we can slowly consume the input module or some shit. Yeah, you see now it kind of doesn't complain anymore. I mean, I'm pretty sure as soon as I fix this error, we get like either a bunch of other errors that is blocked by this one, or we will compile and start like segfaulting all over the place. But we will get compile errors because I only put a couple basic functions here. I didn't do any of these. Yeah. So get geometry. Get render dimensions, window type. And do you have EGL get geometry or some shit? Oh wait, it's X get geometry. No, this is not even... Oh yeah, this is X11 related call. It's not even... Yeah, Okamo. JDL is SDL but in Jai. It's SDL at home. Hello and welcome. This is a working name, it's not a final name. But you know what working name means in Jai community. One second. Yeah. Right, so do we have XCB get geometry? Yeah, we have XCB get geometry, nice. The most permanent is temporary, yes. So is there any reason we can just use X get dimensions? Is there any reason we can't use X get dimensions? Let's see what X get geometry does. Maybe it returns it in some kind of a different way, you know what I mean? So get current window attribute or geometry current window attribute structure. What exactly it returns? So border width returns the border width in pixels. Okay. Depth, whatever. Okay, width and height. Return the drawables dimension, width and height. Is this with border or without border? Upper left, outer corner, relative to its parent's origin. Okay. Current attributes, blah, 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 blah. Non-zero statuses. X geometry returns the root and the current geometry of the drawable. Right, yeah, yeah, it's logical to assume those are excluding borders because border width and depth return separately. So you would have to, like add them together to get width and height of the window. Oh yeah, yeah, inside size of the window. There you go, not including borders. Yes, yes, yes. Confirmed. Or I could have just looked at the chat and see that Ilionte gave me an answer instead of reading this. The drawable is the EGL surface, I see. So and get geometry at dimensions XY with height. Get dimensions. It does get XB get geometry. So I guess I can just call, like, I don't need root. I don't need like XY. I don't need this and this. I just need what's that? 0, 0. Ah, it's XY. Which are always 0, I guess. So we do X, Y, W, H success equals to get dimensions, right? From, so we import in JDL. And what do we pass here? I think we just pass window. Window dot window. No, it's just window, literally. We don't need root. We actually don't need anything. All we need is, like, whether it's right-handed or left-handed, but yeah, it's false in our case. And we return just double edge. I guess that's it. Not enough arguments. Oh, so it requires to have explicit. Yeah. Program contains circular dependencies. Look at that. So module imports XKB context. XKB keymap XKB state. Oh shit. We have a situation on our hand. Yeah. So we have XKB state. Nice name. I named them in a kind of stupid way. So how do I name them? Because we have XKB context, right? So I can do something like, right, using XKB No, 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 no. Let me just import. Wait. Where am I importing this shit? So actually, let me copy this. To here. Right, so we have a display here and a window too. So it's all in the same place. The fuck is this window minimized? Okay. This should be on Windows somewhere. Anything XCB related? And this will go into the module later. I mean, but this should, I mean that this should be stored at per window, not like per globally per module, right? Because we could have multiple windows. Hey tool, hello, hello. Or rather like. No, actually we can just do it right now. Where's window? Like here. I actually forgot what I wanted to do. Let me compile. Oh yeah, yes, dependence is true. XKB common. Let's call it XKB. XCB, XKB. Like that. XKB X11 setup true should be prefixed. Should be prefixed. Should be prefixed. And there's like a bunch of those. KXB. Where's that? Oh. Attempt to use operator on an expression. I guess this? D is display. We have a pointer. Will it work? I'm gonna assume it will work. Whew. Not all control paths return values. So return. Continue. Return false, return true. Another cycle, XCB window, boom, 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 boom. Using statement in 42 here as using base window. It should be base window. Wait events is not a member of XCB display. Yeah, I remember that. Like CPU usage spikes out of control, memory leaks, and some other shit. I remember like reading both Focus Discord and also Secret Beta Discord. So it was very funny to me. Right, so now we can finally implement wait for events. So I think wait for events would have display passed into it, I assume. So let's do wait. Yeah. Literally copy that. And XCB init display, we just do this. And it should be not here actually, it should be on the base. On the base display, not even on the window. Ah, it's actually interesting. When we wait for events, I'd say we wait for events on the window, not on the display. So this is kind of, I think, important. So this would probably be... That's an interesting topic, because in Linux or on Windows, you wait on the window, so on window handle. Right, so it's interesting. So on Linux, on X11, events are common for display connection, for the server connection, not for a particular window. And then you get an event that you registered, and you need to like check if the window is yours, right? Or some shit. Right? Well, not really. You call like poll for display and window, and then you get events for this window. So not exactly, but on Windows you have it per handle, which is a window. Why would it be on display? You can have multiple windows. This is true, but I guess the question is, what the user's face and API look like? Yeah, that makes sense. Where's the wait for events? Here it is. Have a bunch of file descriptors. I remember this. I remember this. I remember this. And then where's the poll? So yeah. Interesting that here we don't actually check which window it gets disposed to, right? Like that's what I was talking about. Like theoretically, we get like all events on the connection, and then we need to dispatch events to the window that it got passed to. And I mean, you know what I mean? It's not particularly a flaw in GI module if we don't think of it as on something that is modeled after Linux. Because I mean, on Windows, you create new window, and this is what listens for events. You get events for that particular window, right? It just has a completely different event loop, right? Well, with the caveat, yes, with the caveat that array of events is global in GI input module, so it actually won't work. Because it doesn't have any info of what window it's attached to. Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly. I was just talking about it. And what I'm also saying is that we have an option here. We can actually create a window. We can actually open a new server connection each time we want to create a new window. And then this logic would literally just keep working as is, so we don't have to dispatch. But opening new connections is kind of wasteful, right? Yeah, it's kind of wasteful. And my program actually used to open quite a few connections. Because, I mean, yeah, I had a connection for the window itself. I had a connection, separate connection to get currently opened like programs, and I got a separate connection to listen for focused for the signal on when focus changes. So I used to have 3 different X11 connections in my program. And then I reduced it down to only to one for libx11 and another one for XCB. And now, since I plan to only use XCB, I can reduce it further down to just one. A single XCB connection for everything. Ding, 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 ding. Right, so, and yeah, and on Wayland it's the same thing, right? You the best practice is you open only one connection to the compositor, and then you create as many like surfaces as you want for that connection, right? That's the kind of the best practices. Because I mean, because on X11 it's actually fine to open multiple connections, because you know one of them you want to be optimized that listens to only particular type of... Wait, no, I'm not making any sense because you registered that on the window. No, scrape that. Cut. It's window. You register events on window, not on display, not on the connection. I really hate that. I really hate that both X11 and Wayland... I mean, X11, okay, it is actually a networked protocol that you're supposed to run remotely, but Wayland, I hate that there is even a notion of this kind of display connection. It shouldn't be fucking a case. Like, why? Why did Linux Foundation did not standardize user-level APIs for drawing graphics on the screen? Fucking why? And if someone says that, oh, because Linux can be used in headless environments, it's fuck you, because, you know, Linux has a bunch of crap for a lot of shit that's not always used. But it still has syscalls for those. Yeah, so... So yeah, I guess what I'm leading to is here when we do poll for event. So every time we get an event, we would need like to do a loop over a window, and only if like window equals to window we will kind of dispatch event per window, right? Or maybe, you know, not really dispatch, we will just, where is it? We'll do the same thing here. Wait, what's that? LD, okay, Linux display. So yeah, we will just set a window on an event in the input module. And we'll have to modify input module to have that window. So then we can properly, in our own user code, we can do that. Has native handle, you were wondering about. That's what I had. That's what I had that for. You get the native event, and you look up the window that has that handle. Yeah. I mean, in my case, it's just handle, right? I mean, in my case, handle is a native handle. Where is it? Well, it's not here. It's on each particular like window. It's in XCB window. I have a handle that's XCB window T. So yeah. Could there be a window without a native handle though? Like, I don't think so. Anyway, that's I guess what we'll have to do now. Wait for event. Is not a member of XCB display. Yeah, so we'll just go here and so yeah, it's gotta be on display, on a regular display, not on XCB display. Base display, get dimensions, create window. Right, so wait for events. And none of the user created windows match an event on that. So you mean, I see, so you mean, so just that, so you don't expose those events to the user space. Is this what it's for? I see. So it's more like, you know, some kind of a flag that's like internal, quote unquote, or like do not expose, the way we could name it. Window is not a member of display. This is true, because we need to return a window. Undeclared identifier. Yeah, so we have to accept display here. Platform wait for message. This will be just wait for message. And let's wait for events. Undeclared identifier XCB wait for events. Great. Look at us go. Create window, blah, blah, blah. XCB wait for events. And display. Type mismatch. Pointer. Wait, what? Oh, you can do that with unions? Unlucky. Okay, I mean, fine. So this is the disadvantage of unions, right? You can't just specify that and pass a struct and automatically cast it. If you say one window, one connection, then you don't care. Yes. Yes. Yeah. And it's just, you know, I don't want to... It's like... the way SDL does it, right? How does SDL pulse for events? Let me check quickly. Textures input. Let's call joystick events. Can I have source code, please? Oh my god! Oh my god! This is fucking horrendous. What is this dogshit website? Fucking yikes. Hey artist, hello. Welcome. So yeah, you see... No, so they have window and then renderer. Fuck you. Where's the main? Render draw caller, render debug input. Where is main, bro? I can press Control F. Apparently, because probably this. Okay, I can't even select everything. Oh god, so bad. Can I even? Main. Let's delete that. Oh, there's literally no main. Oh, there's... Okay, this is a shitty example. No, this is dog shit example. Yeah, this is dog shit example. Anything better? Let's check a small snake. Bro. Okay, yeah, this is bad side. Dog shit, garbage, shit, ass, puke, vomit. Give me some normal code. Okay, SDL init. Okay, we create window, fine. Where's the loop? Please give me the loop. Okay, here. So we just SDL poll event. You see, we don't provide any display. We just set an event and pass it an event. Hey, Waze for hello. You don't know anything on screen? I mean, that's because you just joined, obviously. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because I don't want to expose / impose this crap on the user, right? Yeah. Maybe you'll be able to learn something new. Who knows? If you're interested in what we're doing today, you can type today, and then, like, I guess that's the program we're working on. It's in a broken state right now, so we'll try to get it back to working state. Well, I guess it's fine if for now I will require display, and later I will remove this requirement by putting the information about connections somewhere internal to the library. Because this is good and having to pass that shit around is not very good. Right? Because, yeah. Yeah, we can have like an array of connections instead of returning it. Yeah, I can have an array of connections internally. And then I can pull those connections. Right. That probably can be fine. Actually, let me probably do it right away. So, XCB wait for events will accept display. Now, regular wait for events will not accept it. And our module, we can put it in a scope module, so displays is a dynamic array of display, and I guess pointer to display, right? Or not. I guess we can do it like that. It's a union. No. It's gonna be a pointer, array of pointers, because we create them with new, right? And then when you initialize, you create a new display. You initialize it, then if result, you array add it. And then it's like result is a boolean, right? Yeah, it's success, let's call it like that. Otherwise, return false. I don't know why I gave it a default result, default return value. Yeah, right. Like that. Then create window. I don't do a display anymore. But then how do we figure out which connection this window will, you know, belong to? No, really. I think I will create a connection when, you know, we'll call our analog. Is there like code at the end? No, there's no code at the end. Oh, here. Oh, archive. Well, fuck you, I'm not gonna download you. Ugh. Internet is so bad, you can't just... I usually SDL example, like... And I can't do shit. Please don't use... Oh, and this is like SDL GPU. Well, at least... Yeah, so when we call our analog of SDL init, I was thinking to create a connection. And then you can just do create window and it will use that connection that you created. But I mean, in which case, so, and you know, maybe maybe it's fine. Maybe I don't really need. So what I'm thinking is that in my program, in my particular program, it will need to create both X11 and Wayland connection. Yes, exactly. And so in my case, I will have to, maybe I'm not gonna need a Wayland window per se, but I definitely need a Wayland connection. So it would be cool if I just do, like, you know, my library init and pass something like, give me Wayland, right? Like, I want Wayland. And it returns me a struct with a bunch of Wayland stuff initialized and whatnot. In the same program, I don't think so, but I might need a connection. And maybe it would be cool if the library just had some quality of life, you know, kind of connection maintained that... I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it for now. So you know what? Yeah, default window creation connection, and you have some other API to open additional connections for other things like events. Yeah, I guess so. So I guess we don't do an array. We don't do array here. We go back to kind of window display, right? Like so we have our display for Windows. Something like this. And then this display for Windows gets initialized. And if we want a display for something else, then we have like a separate procedure to get display that will not store it globally. But actually return to the user, right? Because we don't really know what you're gonna use it for. We just give you a native connection, and it's kind of your job to use it in whatever way you want. Maybe it's gonna be, you know, like display with like procedure pointers, for example, right, on it, so that you don't have to load anything yourself because everything is like initialized or whatnot. And we can maybe, like, you know, copy the procedure pointers from already initialized display for Windows. Or maybe you want to like specify what procedure pointers you want to copy and all that stuff. Right, so just kind of fantasizing about what I want function pointers. Yeah, they're always the same, but I mean, I don't store them globally, right? So I only store them on the display, so I'll have to get them from somewhere. Just how it will look like internally, just fantasizing a little bit. But yeah, so we'll just call it like main display or something, right? A pointer to display. Like this should be enough, right? Or maybe not. because you did that global display with an underscore that's of this type. Yeah. And so then our create window will not accept this anymore, right? So this will just main display create window, main display Windows window. And then main display wait for events. And wait for events can actually like accept window. So, you know, internal procedures, they don't want, internal procedures don't necessarily want to deal with like actually talking to the global one. So give me the compile errors. Now this doesn't do it. Create window doesn't do it anymore either. And wait for events doesn't do it either. And array add, there is no array to add anymore, so we'll just literally return success. Look at this! Bathroom break. Right now, give me minutes. It doesn't take window for waiting. I think you should do the same. Wait, do I take window for waiting? I don't think I do it. Yeah, here, you see? I don't do it. I don't do it, you see? It's like I just internally set a display for my internal one, but the entry point doesn't do it yet. Okay, I'll be right back. If anyone has like questions, feel free to type them in the chat. I actually think I'm gonna pour myself something to drink, so yeah. The water is brewing. Bro got tricked by NASA. True, it's staged. Anyone remember that scene from Dump and the Dumber that Jim Carrey improvised? When he was exiting, I think, restaurant or something, there was a magazine paper about landing on the moon. And he was like, "We landed on the moon! Holy shit, no way!" And this scene was like completely improvised. Okay, I think my kettle is done, so I need to pour it. I think I'm up for some stand-up comedy. How about that? Give me a second. Is there an actual earthquake around your area, or are you fat shaming me? Huh? Mr. Chatter, explain yourself before I get offended. Quick! God. Ban him! Mods! Mods! Ban him and cancel him. It is socially acceptable, right? To rebozo. It is socially acceptable to joke about your own group, so I get to joke about fat people without any consequences. Easy clap. But you cannot. You. Or I will get sad. Oh, so there's actual emote Rebozo? Do we have it on 7TV? Let's search Rebozo. Oh, but there's so many of them. So let's let me show you. So which one is the best? Are we adding this one? Okay. Confirm. Yeah, okay. Get naked. Go wild. Add a little bit of Gen Z brain rot. So what's that? Wait, why scammed? Do you not see it in the chat? Ah, it's I see it, but I think Streamlabs layout, it needs some time to adjust. Let me actually try it out. Streamlabs, dashboard. Fucking Firestarter, such a good OST. I assume I'm like the only one here, and maybe a couple other like Slavic bros, maybe from Russia or Ukraine, who know about this game called Firestarter from 2003 to 2003, which has an insane soundtrack that had absolutely no business to be this good in such a niche game. Is there a way to like reset it or something? Maybe I can just save settings and okay. Did it work? Did it work? No, it did not work. Oh, I guess I don't know. Streamlabs doesn't let me. There is no like button, you know, refresh the chat list or something. Wait. Maybe. Maybe like that. Oh yeah, it works now. Holy shit. Okay, you can go wild. Alright, monkey also works. Yeah, nice. Oh right, because I... Wait, let me enable it back. Oh shit. Is it still scuffed or is it fine now? Wasn't it always like that? It's fine. Okay, yeah. We are back. Whew. Yeah, I need a tea break. Oof. So what's that backend init? We got this crap, and I guess we can put that on a specific, right? So on info specific dot EGL surface equals EGL surface, I don't know what else, specific EGL context. I don't know, we have the EGL context, maybe the EGL display equals like the EGL display. I don't know if we like need it or not. Right, EGL display, EGL display. Oh, by the way, the game I was talking about, right? I wanted to shield it. I was talking about this one. It actually it's so OG that it's not even on Steam here. Even if you don't want to play it, you just absolutely must listen to its soundtrack. If you want to give it even more street cred, the soundtrack for this game was written by the same guy who wrote soundtrack for Stalker, for the first Stalker game. Unless I'm mistaken. So I actually don't think I need to do this. Right? Make current. Yeah, so so global display. What does EGL make current accepts? What kind of display it needs? It needs EGL display, right? Yeah, it needs so EGL display. Oh, this is actually bad, right? Because you need different EGL displays per different windows, right? Is this correct? Or it's fine, you just need different surfaces? I wonder. Display plus. Okay, so the EGL display is correct, but the surface must be. Right, nice. So it's not gonna be like the surface, it's gonna be. Here, right? So info specific EGL surface. Specific EGL surface. And context should also be different, right? Like context is also per window / surface. Oh, actually my current shouldn't be here. Yeah, my current shouldn't be here. It should be here. Let's actually. So for now, Sim supports only one context anyway. So let's just do it like that. So the EGL display, EGL surface. There's surface 2 times. Let me check. Draw and read. What was the? Oh, read. It's like from which to read config, right? Let me let me refresh my memory. It's meta W. So EGL make current. Draw and read. Draw specifies the draw surface, specifies the read surface. Thank you for very descriptive. Brother, no, read. My brain just wants to skip and give an instant gratification, but I guess I have to be careful with OpenGL. For an OpenGL or OpenGL ES context, draw is used for all operations except for any pixel data read back or copied. Instead of all operation, for all operations, except for any pixel data read back or copied. Oh shit. Hand music, hello, welcome and congratulations. Reading pixels, so reading pixels back, which is taken from the frame buffer values of read. Alright, so in my case it's just... Sorry, technical difficulties. So yeah, we just pass the same shit here. Not enough arguments. What? Oh, context, right. So it's gonna be DGL context. Wait, no, it's DGL context. Undeclared identifier display. Oh wait, it's literally GL load. Undeclared identifier GL. Where's that? On Android. Oh shit. If GL not equal to... Oh right. What was the GL? I don't think I even have anything, right? Yeah, I don't need to pass anything here. I can just call it like that. GL enable debug output. Didn't I copy that shit? Oh no, I didn't copy that. Debug output, if version, if break. This is very fancy. I like that. It's kind of the same debug break as in the XCB OpenGL example we have in that other repo. So let's just copy it here. Yeah, so we have this shit. This is what I copied. Yeah, dump GL errors. Debug log params. Where are those coming from? Yeah, exactly. Here. GL version 4.3. If so, we need to do like fancy GI features. GL debug log. Oh shit, that's a lot. Oh, like that's a lot. I need to copy all of this shit. So let me just copy that. I think this is what we're exporting, right? No, it's enable log output. It's the only one that gets exported. So this one. Huh. Uncleared identifier GL arb debug output. This is because we need to regenerate. Okay, let's do this. I'm sorry for the flashbang. I think it's actually literally physically impossible to start Emacs without a flashbang. Maybe my Emacs like Lisp fui just sucks, but I quickly searched and I haven't found how to do it, and I didn't bother to like ask AI so much. First, shut the fuck up. When I make my own text editor, my own Emacs replacement, that I will call Max, it will have a proper default background color. Generate protocols. Hey JKF, hello, hello. Where's the... Cool. And I guess we copy this. Overwrite, yes. Right? Oh. Oh. Oh, I did it twice. Another batch of error. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Redeclaration of window. Where did I declare it? Was imported. Here's the first declared. Oh shit. And who imported window creation? Simp immediate. Ah. Oh, why would it import it here? Anyway. Who uses that? Nobody uses it here. Just get the fuck out of here. Pre-declaration of type? Oh, you can't do that? I put it on base display? Oh right, I need to set it, but yeah. No kick. Wait, it should be full caps, yeah. Yeah, you see full caps. I mean, that's what it is on BTTV. It's not my fault. I mean, the fact that emotes are case sensitive on Twitch is kind of stupid. In my humble opinion. Maybe it's just me, you know. Yeah. So what does it don't like? The declaration of so we don't need type on the module. So we don't need type here, right? Where is it? So we don't do type here, and apparently we don't do type here. We just set it on the base. Base. So base type, yeah. Create window. We don't need to do type. We just do display.xcb. Window red. And we do x window red. We don't even do that, we just set shit on. You're copying the struct here. Wait, what? Yes, you're right. You're completely right. Should it be pointer here then? Yes, because it is global. Yeah. Yeah, so this is like display.xcb. So this shit gets dereferenced like that. So this is what it is. Because we have one automatic dereference here. So this is what it actually is. Yeah. I said blin. I need to polish my automatic dereference finder and post it. And I need to do window red that base that type equals to xcb window. This is from Celeste, right? Yeah, it's Farewell from Celeste. Oh, Lina Rain is such a great composer. I can't. This stream is probably getting copyrighted out of existence on YouTube, by the way. I might have to just, you know, straight up download it from Twitch and post it on YouTube afterwards. Because even though all of these songs are soundtrack from games, I'm more like sure at least some of that probably copyrighted. Wouldn't be surprised. But we'll see. I actually have like a decent no copyright streak on YouTube, so I found like perfect gaming OSTs that I can listen to. And if I show you, oh shit, yesterday's stream got copyrighted, fuck. But it's only 2 songs and they have like no impact, right? So if I here's my YouTube dashboard, and yesterday's have like one copyright, but before that I have a lot of nons, and one got also copyright from February 3rd, so from my birthday stream got copyrighted. Fucking YouTube. Yeah. I do that for Twitch, but unfortunately YouTube doesn't support streaming track. It's Twitch only feature. Yeah. Like, unlucky, but it is what it is. So that's why I said that I might need to just upload it from Twitch later. You don't send that capture source to YouTube at all. I actually don't know if you can do that. I actually don't know if you can do that. If you can, just not set it at all. Because on Twitch, you send everything, but then the recording ends up not having that audio track. Automatically, it's like just Twitch feature. But if I can just not send at all, I mean, maybe, yes. I would need to research it. Anyway. So I think that's gonna be fine. Redeclaration of Windows. Where is it declared? Oh. Declaration of base. Wait, what? Base window. Oh, they're all base. What do you call it? I mean, double encoding, I don't think it's an issue. I mean, at least not for my computer. Right. How do you call it if not base? I mean, maybe I just wait, do I really need... I don't think I need to have base window on the Union, right? Because I can't have a display that's just base display. Yes, I don't think I can have that. That would probably be a bug. Redeclaration. Wow. Okay. Oh shit! We compiled! We couldn't initialize SDL at home, but I mean, fuck. Insane. Insanity. Let me... Oh, look at this cute color scheme. Let me... bend over to my viewers, because the scientific research shows that if you use dark theme on stream, you get 250% more viewers. Where's SDL at home? So here. Oh! Fuck is the display. So this we don't have anymore. Twitch that show me a notification. Free TwitchCon tickets? Yes! Doesn't it know that I'm fucking sanctioned? And I can't fucking go anywhere without going through an extremely humiliating visa application procedure? Hello? Hello? I guess this. Oh, right. Anyway, the display. Aha, so there you go. So it's not the display anymore, it's like main display. XCB. Using, well, it's not main display. What is it? It is main display, and it's in scope module, so it should be. Oh, right. So it's right. Segmentation fault. Nice. I fucking love segmentation faults. My favorite. Let's see what's not loaded. Main display create window. Did I not copy? Wait, where am I? Yeah, the fucking fuck. Yes, this is correct. Because in my head, I still think about it as a structure, right? So I'm not thinking about it as because I just recently changed it to union, not only in code but also in my head. So this will keep happening. This will keep happening. Don't tell me it's because of automatic dereferencing, okay? I don't want to fucking hear it. Toxic streamer. Yeah. Fuck. So did I not put a create window? Where's the init XCB display init XCB init display? So base create window. Yeah, it's literally here. Display.xcb equals. This should work, right? Or, I mean, does it want me to do this? No, this is already a pointer. Right? Yeah, exactly. Does it not? Oh, you know, maybe it returns false somewhere, and I'm not, and I literally don't. Actually, no, it doesn't tell me. Yeah, it doesn't show me the error. So if not success, log error return. Yeah, so it doesn't show me that. I guess let's go to init display and see what's going on here. Where do we have it? Let's debug. So here, the display base type create window. So XCB create window. Is it? Yeah, it is correct one. So now it's all good. Signed. Wait for events, handle. Con errors. A bunch of atoms. Oh shit, let me just put it here. XKB common. Nice. Nice. Key map. Nice. Sure. Now we have display. XCB equals D. Like that. And now display. XCB Handle, initialize, screen, context. And the base should have a create window. Yeah, XCB create window. Went for yeah. It's literally all fine. I'm not copying shit here accidentally, right? Yeah. Watch a window or check out article. I mean, it's kind of telling, right? You just paste a link to what you want me to check out and I check it out. I mean, it's probably fine to copy it because you know, that's what I wanted to do, to copy it. I mean, you can argue that I can create it on the heap, right? Just new initialize it with an allocator. But yeah, it should be fine. Check the color. Maybe. Here. Now display XCB. Base. It has shit, you see? It has all of that. So we have a disp. Oh shit! It's I forgot to replace it. It should be fuck me sideways. It should be literally this. Yes, Leonto, you're totally correct. Oh, now we crash in XCB init display. So let me fix that error and then we check out the video. When is it debug breaking at XCB init display? So here? Wait, why is it a null pointer? It is a null pointer. Why? How? Why and how? We have a pointer to display and I pass it here. How is it a null? Ah, because the pointer is null by default. Yes. I'm such a fucking idiot. I literally need to do it. Yeah, I removed that, but yeah, I still need to initialize it. Fucking web monkey. Idiot. Clown. Sorry. Now I'm confident it will just work. Huh? Oh fuck, it's wrong Emacs. It generates protocols. This is the wrong Emacs window. Let me close it. Oh, something flashed. Have you seen that? Update window, get render dimensions. Something flashed like. This is why I had that global display. Oh, so you like initialized it on the stack, right? On the stack. Actually, why not? Now we can do like yeah, display, and then here we just do main display is a pointer to that. Right? Right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because it's a constant. You're correct. Correct. It will actually yell at me if I don't do it, and now I can just do this. Yeah, the window flashes and then crashes. So we are showing the window. And it crashes when we're trying to set the render target. Okay, I fixed that error. We flash in the window. That's a pogger's win. While I'm waiting for 100 gifted T3 subs to pop it off, we'll... Oh, fuck. YouTube poop, the fourth presidential debate from 8 years ago. A blast from the past. Okay, let's check it out, shall we? Do some people get 3 subs? No. Twitch has tiered subscription system. There's T1 sub, T2 tier sub, and T3 tier sub. The difference is that you pay more, a streamer gets bigger percentages, and if a streamer is good streamer, which I am not, you also get exclusive emotes. Only 30 people watching. Oh yeah, then it just will have 70 random people. Yeah, it will give to, like, first it will give to random followers who I think like recently watched. And I think if it doesn't find any recently watched followers, it will just give random to random fucking people who are right now on Twitch. Because sometimes I would watch a stream and I will get gift sub notification from a streamer I'm like I never seen before. Because Twitch, I think, does some like algorithm where it tries to think, okay, maybe I will be interested in that streamer. So maybe that's how it works. Yeah. If you have Twitch Prime, you're in a separate pool for gifted subs. Yeah, that makes sense as well. So yeah. Sometimes it happens that I just get a gifted sub from a streamer I've never heard about before.
I want to welcome you to the fourth presidential debate. The participants tonight are...
Since when is Obama hosting debates?
Donald
The
Trump
fuck?
and Hillary Clinton. We are going to focus on the issues that are most important, and we're going to press for specifics. Let's start by talking about African American...
Oh, shit. I'm sorry, it wasn't a joke. For some reason, I literally thought it's Obama at first. It took me like a few seconds to realize it's not him. I just haven't seen Obama in a while.
Secretary Clinton, you get 2 minutes on this.
Let me start by saying I was involved in a number of gangbangs with 14 million young African American men. They've looked at my fine ass and they've said, okay, we can do this. So I spent a year and a half giving blowjobs.
She has nice hair, I gotta say.
And it has not been easy. There were some problems, some unintended consequences.
They don't have pop filters on the mic. Have you heard that?
And it has not been easy. There were some problems. Unintended consequences, because now I have AIDS, but I'm not gonna...
Can you believe that, like, some years ago, like 20, 30 years ago, people would actually believe this shit, right? The bad actors used to slice recordings like that, and people actually would like buy it. And these days, people don't believe shit because they would think it's AI generated. I mean, unless they already agree with the premise. Yeah, they believe the moon landing, so yeah.
Make any excuses. It was awesome.
Mr. Trump?
She talks about African Americans, but my penis is the biggest, and I'm very, very proud of it.
He lost some weight.
African American,
right? Like, he's more orange now, but I think he's like less chubby. Or maybe he's just older. I don't know. Was in peak Max? Yeah, maybe, but he definitely lost some weight.
Americans, but my penis is the biggest, and I'm very, very proud of it.
We just have a different view.
It is a big, fat cock. End of story.
Let me get you to pause right there because we're going to
Yes,
move into
well,
the, we're going to
that-
move into
but
the next
that-
segment. We're going to
that-
talk
that
taxes.
That can't be left
Please
to
just take
stand.
30 seconds,
I,
then we're
I
gonna go
kind
on.
of assumed that there would be a lot of these claims, and he really believes that 3.5 inches is large.
Hey Aaron, hello. Is this what brought you out of lurking? The claim that Hillary Clinton was beautiful 40 years ago. Hey, Ruti Fund.
I happen to think it's double that, according to
He said it. I happen. Listen to that. I happen.
I kind of assumed that there would be a lot of these claims, and he really believes that 3.5 inches is large.
I happen to think it's double that, according to a report that I just saw.
YTP. What's YTP? Ah, YouTube poop.
Whether it's 6 or 5, but it looks like it's 6.
Well, Donald, I know you live in your own reality, but that is just not accurate.
By the way, a lot of friends of mine that know my penis said, it's really a beautiful thing to watch.
Secretary Clinton, would you like to respond?
Independent experts have looked at my pussy, and basically they've said this: it's a beautiful pussy.
Secretary Clinton, thank you. Our next segment is called Cyber Attack. Secretary Clinton, this answer goes to you.
Cyber attackers have taken the homepage of my website, HillaryClinton.com, and turned it into HillaryClintonHasAIDS.com.
Lol.
Mr. Trump, earlier this month you
The
said
fuck?
Secretary Clinton doesn't have, quote, a presidential look. She's standing here right now. What did you mean by that?
I said she doesn't have the stamina, and I don't believe she does have the stamina. To be president of this country, you need tremendous stamina.
Let's let her respond.
Well, as soon as he has been successful in giving 650 million low jobs, he can talk to me about stamina.
She's got experience, that I agree, but it's bad experience.
I know how to get laid, and I think that's a good thing.
Secretary Clinton, thank you. Mr. Trump,
Did you ask me a question? There's no question.
Mr. Trump, my final question to you tonight, how do we fight it? Secretary Clinton,
We have to knock the hell out of Secretary Clinton. My lawyers, they say, don't do it. Almost every lawyer says, you don't kill people. I don't mind it. I'm going to cut Secretary Clinton's throat.
Hey, this
Whoa. That might be Monkatos right here.
is murder. You have difficult mental health problems.
All right, well, that is going to do it for us. That concludes our debate for this evening, a spirited one. We covered everything as I suspected we would. My thanks to Hillary Clinton and to Donald Trump. Good night, everyone.
German
Today
channel.
is my birthday.
The fuck did I just watch? I think these days you get in jail for this in Germany, right? If you do something like that. Like the police comes to you and arrest you or something. I don't know if it's true or not, just what I heard. I mean, politicians will cry about and try suing you, but like, good luck getting through with it in court. I mean, but it's such a, but it's like a drag, right? Elon said it on Twitter, so it must be true. Joke's on you, I have him muted. Because he tweets like a monkey on crack, just won't shut up, so I had to mute him. And he made it so that the algorithm pushes him to the moon, so I open my Twitter and half of my Twitter is Elon Musk. I just had to mute him. Das ist alle. von der Kunstenheiten gedeckt. It's all covered by freedom of art. When KGB goes after me, that's what I will say. That it was covered by freedom of act. When the police tries to shove a bottle of champagne up my ass. I actually watched that Next Door to Next Engineer. KGB and German police might be different beasts. I don't know. Okay, let's debug. Before I get demonetized. Do you know that if you cover political topics, you must specify that in your stream? There's like a special checkbox that opts you out of all the advertisement. Yeah. It's like you basically discuss sensitive topics. Because if you don't do that, like otherwise, I mean, it doesn't matter if you're like a nobody like me, right? But if you're big political commentator, advertisers usually don't want to be associated with you, so you have to check that mark so that you don't get any ads. Constant titles, that's generally a good policy. I mean, sometimes you just can't afford that, you know. For example, in my case, I can't afford to stay away from politics because it, you know, the war directly affects me. I need to like monitor the sanctions situation and all this crap. You know. So I would be happy to be able to do that, but no, unfortunately I have to watch and follow. But I'd say it is a very like, I'm not saying it like, oh, fucking like privileged, like no, I genuinely like envy people who can do that, like in a good way. It's a very good position to be in when you can just ignore politics, like unironically. I know some people mean it condescendingly, but I actually like want to be in that position. Yeah, I know that it's not always like in absolutes, but you know what I mean. It's like you don't have to doom scroll constantly, right? You just can't avoid it. And I, with some exception, I have to like wake up and see, you know, what happened during the night in like Russian-Ukrainian war. The Chronicles of War. I kind of have to follow it very closely. At least I'm smart enough to not engage with it on the internet. So I guess that's that. There's that, because if I actually engaged in this shit online, I don't know, it would probably affect me very badly, because, you know, like I already get a lot of shit for being Russian. Although, you know, actually recently the vibe has definitely changed recently. I can feel that, because the last death threat I got was in the beginning of November. So it's like December and January, so it's like 2 whole months without a single death threat, which is like a personal best, I'm pretty sure, in those 3 years. Right? So yeah, it's as if, you know, there's some sort of like wind of change. How many of those did Sodin get? I mean, I can only speak for myself, you know, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's like a non-zero amount. Because yeah, if I got few, then he definitely got some. I don't understand the hate on Russian. I mean, it's actually very easy to understand. Like, it's extremely easy to understand the hate. And when I say that, I mean when Ukrainians express it, which, I mean, I hope most of them are, because it's very easy to understand, right? It's just fight or flight response. It's like, it's in human nature, right? When you get oppressed by a certain group of people, you extrapolate it to all of the people from that group. It's just how humans work, right? When a woman gets abused by a man, a particular man, she will start be afraid of all men. It's just like an analogy, right? You would think so, but as soon as bombs start dropping on your head, you will change your mind very quickly, like I guarantee that. Especially if you personally or your close ones, you know, get suffered from that. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry if, you know, that's triggering, but it's just to kind of get the idea, I guess. Yeah. The fuck is this? Oh. Yeah. You'd start hating Serbs. I think at this point people are getting along pretty well here in Balkans. Right? I mean, they're constantly joking and talking shit about each other, but it's not like, you know, it's all in a pretty like good faith at this point. It's like, you know, with a smile on the face and on the barbecue, right? They would just literally talk shit about each other, just like in the face and like laugh at it. Yeah. I think there's like a whole game about it. Fuck. Yeah, that's the game. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of niche, you know, because indie game, not all people follow that. But there's literally a game about this topic. My Child Lebensborn Remastered. Right. So for those of you who don't know, Lebensborn is basically like, I think that's what they called like children of Nazi soldiers. You know, so children who has to carry the original sin. Yeah. So it's like, I mean, you know, it's like pretty deep and like a bit heavy, but it is a good game. So if you're into this stuff like story-driven games and it's only €8, highly recommend. It's like overwhelmingly positive. Yeah. But anyway, why are we getting... Yes, because there's no global XCB connection. Detect focus program, yes. So let's fix segfaults one by one. Yeah. I'm sorry if these like political topics like offend anyone or, you know, trigger someone, but yeah, I was always like pretty open about political stuff on the stream. I don't really, you know, like shy away from it or like try to filter myself that much. Yeah, we don't do this. We actually don't do that either. Yeah. And I've actually been to Berlin recently. I've been to Berlin in November. And it was such a cool experience. Like I have nothing but positive experience from my visit to Berlin. I fucking love that city. Berlin is literally, it's basically like Moscow. And I really love Moscow. There are certain parts of Moscow that I don't love, but Berlin, at least in those places where I've been, it represents everything that I love about Moscow. You know, the insane amount of cultural diversity, very good food, insanely good infrastructure. Sat on the lap of enormous Karl Marx. Yeah. So it's just I liked it a lot. It's also very expensive, just like Moscow, you know. But yeah. So what do we have here? Global XCB connection. So I can do like main display that handle. I think that should be fine. I guess I need to do like XCB like this. Wait. XD handle. Yeah. Main display handle. XCB handle. Like that. Dun, 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 dun. Handle. If you're having a bad day, just remember that tomorrow could be a good day. It's a gamble. And once you realize you're gambling, you'll be happy again, because gambling is awesome. So true. So true. Gambling is awesome. I highly recommend everyone to gamble right now. Just invest in Bitcoins. Buy Trump meme coin. Bet on your favorite team. Fart coin, yeah. Do you happen to know when Jai will be out of closed beta? Hey, Lisnoy Topor. Fucking awesome username, by the way. It means forest axe in Russian. I don't know. The only person who knows is John. Yes, Trucy girl. Yes, exactly. Sigiri. Excuse me. Your nickname is just blends in my chat. In my chat. So, Sigiri. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Bye, Balatro. And gamble. Yes. True. Feed your gambling addiction on something that's at least a little bit safe, right? What do we have here? Global XCB data. So main display that XCB state. Like that. Undeclared identifier main display. Oh, because it's like this. Type mismatch. Type wanted XCB connection T. Type gotten. Wait. Also, I need to do this. No, main display is already a pointer. Yeah. So I think that should be enough. Oh, it's a different. Yeah. So I need to. Wait, what? Oh, so I import XCB module from multiple different places, and since I import it as, you see, since I do import file here, it actually thinks it's two different modules named the same way. This is Emacs, yes, it is. Hey, Vanquish, hello. Used to do gacha games, but never spend money on it. That's based. You get value, but you don't give anything back to those fucking predators, right? Yeah, I also hate gambling. I mean, yeah, I hate gambling too. Like, I mean, you know, my body enjoys gambling because it's an exploit in human brain, right? But I recognize that it's bad, and I would never like go and gamble. So how do I fix that? So I guess I just actually extract. That's like weird because it's literally the same module, but since I guess I import it as file, it detects it as two different modules with the same name, right? My account is holy. Ah, yeah, gotcha. I see. Yes, so your friends actually like spend money and gamble, and you don't. And they think like your friends probably thinking that you look on them down, right? Because you don't gamble, and they're like weak fucking losers. So maybe that's why they always also like give you shit. Because deep down inside they understand that this is true. Yeah. I mean, I agree, and that's a pretty reasonable take. It's not like I am totally against games that, you know, have luck element in them. And I'm totally fine with playing, like, you know, like a poker game with friends when there's, like, you know, no money involved. Just for fun, but I wouldn't go to like a fucking casino and play there. It's no fucking way. But I don't judge people who do. You know, it's like your money, your life, do whatever you want. So how do I do this? Do I extract XCB into a special module? This is not i3, no, it's Sway, but Sway is basically i3 but for Wayland, so it's the same shit. Fuck. How do I fix the discrepancy? So import file, like this is unfortunate, and this is actually kind of unfortunate. Do they get exposed? I just wonder. Actually, I think it might be getting exposed. Right? It is. It does get exposed to me. Yes. Nice. I'll just do it like this then. Main display dot. Yes. Type wanted XKB stay. The same shit is here. Undefined. So this is this. This is that. XCB generic. Oh, I need to like namespace it all like this. which is, I mean, it is fine. It is totally fine. I'm totally okay with doing that. I enjoy doing that. Intern Adam. This. Any Prince of Persia fans in the chat? Wait, what? Type wanted, type given. Yeah, so this is not a pointers like that. It does, yes. I really like Prince of Persia, the OG games. Warrior Within is by far my favorite. It's fucking goated. XCB, wait for... what's that? Ah, yeah, right. Undeclared identifier XD. Huh. XD is JDL main display .xcb. And then con is XD handle. Dun, 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 dun. Can you imagine that Ubisoft made those games? Oh, nice. That's actually pretty cool. Your entire life built around everything. I do being compatible between Wayland and X11, but I still don't switch because... yeah. The only reason I switched is because I have two monitors and they have different resolutions, so different DPIs, and no X11 desktop environment really supports that. That's the only reason why I bothered. And also I bought AMD GPU, so, you know, so it's literally possible for me now. I mean, you know, I had Nvidia forever, but it's just my card died. Yeah, it's possible now, but when I switched, it wasn't really possible. And even now, it's still worse than AMD. XKB keycode T XKB. I guess. What else? Same shit. Oh. Global SKB state, so this is gonna be like jdl.xcb.xkb state. Wait, what? Main display. Same, so xcb.xkb state. So this is this and this. I think that's it. Oh, almost. So this is not a main display, this is JDL main display. And I think this is a pointer, I think that's... Oh, we flashed the window. And now we crash and get rendered dimensions. Nice, we are doing something. NVIDIA is fine since 300. Yeah, I didn't have 300 series. I had a 1070 GTX. Yeah. What exactly are you actually? So I am rewriting my platform layer for this program. I'm working on Linux version of this program, which is key remapper for Epic gamers. Yeah. So why are we, what exactly is null here? Is it window? Oh. Well, actually, I don't set the display here, which is a mistake. Like, what exactly is null, though? Oh, the display on Windows null. Yeah, I'm a fucking idiot. So window. So should handle be... So display should be here, yes. So display should be here, absolutely. And also XCB display has handle, and then XCB window has, yeah, so like that. And then when we init, when we create window, type XCB window, and we also need to do display XCB window red base type and window red base handle, no, base display equals to display. Excuse me. We should do that. I think that should be it. Yeah, detect focus program. Now we get back to breaking on detecting focused program. I ditched Linux on my NVIDIA laptop, so I'm not running any NVIDIA Linux setup at the moment. Yeah. 1060 and 4070 and dual GPU setup on laptop. Yeah. You run Asahi Linux, I see. Yeah, Asahi Linux kind of low-key interests me. I might buy MacBook to try it out. I mean, I was thinking about buying MacBook regardless. But I would probably mess with Asahi there. Reap some of those Rust for Linux benefits, you know. Why would this crash of all places? Do I not have profiles initialized? The fuck? Like, that's not even real. Like, that isn't even related. Oh, do I not have any profiles? What? Right, so we have profiles here. And there's like literally a code. So main, right? Oh shit, I think I removed a lot here. Yeah, there was a code that initialized config. I think I accidentally removed it when I was commenting stuff out. But where is it? The fuck? Did I commit it? I think I might have accidentally committed it. Yeah, that's really weird. Fix uninitialized temp storage. No. The fuck? Where? So I have like the entire code here to set presets, a logger, init settings. Oh, I'm just an idiot. Oh, why am I doing that after window creation? The fuck? The fuck? Yeah, this should literally... Yes. I moved it down in my Windows version that doesn't depend on... Okay. Yeah. It's normal. So this actually should happen before any of the UI stuff. It should literally happen here. Boom. Oh, look at that. We get OpenGL loading until we crash in libx11 when we get mouse pointer position. We got to input code. That I haven't ported yet. Look at that. And we get our window. I think that's a massive W. I know it doesn't look like much, but here if I launch the debugger, we get a window running, and we actually, like, for a fact, look at this. We have OpenGL initialized. Look at this. We have OpenGL context. It's in a UI per frame update. It's like here, right? If I comment it out, I'm pretty sure it will still like fuck itself somewhere because get wrecked, right? Yeah, now it asserts because the UI didn't get updated. Yeah, because there's no states, and state actually like requires getting mouse position and all that stuff. So now we need to port input module. Yeah. Yes, that's a W. Ooh. Let me actually commit the shit in like a new branch. SDL at home. What do we do? Build. I mean, basically just commit everything. What do we have? OpenGL, JDL, simp, this, and something else. I think that's it, right? Oh no, not log.txt. Unstage that. Anything else? All the files are JAI. Yeah. Let me push that on GitHub actually. The biggest issue I have with Asahi is page size, because it makes really good x86 simulation practically pointless, since the page size still differs from practically any compiled Asahi binary. I see. What's default page size in Asahi? Is it like big? Is it just big by default compared to Windows? Or what? Or like X? 16K. Oh. 64K. Yeah, so it's bigger than like default x86 shit, right? Yeah, I haven't actually changed anything. And my Arch probably has 4K, like the normal one. Which is, to be honest, like fucking stupid, right? Like, let's be honest, it's kind of stupid. We do 4K pages by default, it's idiotic in 2025, but it is what it is. Okay. Apple one is special, I see. Yeah, I see, and I see. Yeah, I see why it would be an inconvenience. So, celebratory Dragon Sweeper, how about that? Because we did such a great job today, actually logged in and ported some shit, made it work. We got a window flash, so I think we deserve some a round of Dragon Sweeper or so. If for some reason you still haven't played this game, it's actually like very good. Oh, that was actually a misclick. I could have died. 11, so there's like 3 here, right? So 3 here. 13 here, 5. So here or here is 6. Playing with sound. Okay, let's mute it. If people are so upset, yeah, we can mute it. Right, so here or here we have a 6 because of the chest. I don't know. So I'll just open this 3. Oh, but now I can't like. Anyway. And 3, yeah. 1, 11. Here's we have 9. One of these is 6. So if one of this is 6, so here we have 5. So yeah, this is like the biggest here is 5. So 3. Oh, oh, oh. So this is like 6 and 2. One of this is 6. One of this is 2. Easy clap. We have 2 here, which I think we're gonna use right now, and also we have 2 here. So for 2 points we will uncover 3. So yeah. And we got the egg bonus. And now we can buy this 1, because then we will also know what's here. So we can just click. Oh, we actually knew that there is a wall. I'm stupid. Why not take the mouse first at the top? Because taking it at the corner automatically uncovers the one nearby. But it was pointless here because it was obvious that there was a wall. Actually, it was not obvious because the wall might have also been here. You know what I mean? You take the corner one, so then you can calculate the adjacent one. So this is an interesting one, right? We have 7 HP and we can waste 4 here. 4 of those here to uncover a lot of... And then we will have 3 left. How about that? So let's do this. Yeah. I actually prefer to take expensive first, so that later I have the leeway to fill up my leftover HP. Yeah, so there's 2. You have what? 13 bomb. So you actually don't have here. So this is 9. And these are empty. Easy clap. I have 2, so yeah, I can just do this. So we have a wall either here or here. So one of these is a wall. Yeah. And here I will take either this 2, so then I know what's here, or I'll get this 2, so I know what's here. It doesn't really matter which of them is to take. I'll take this one. So this is 1, this is 7, you see? Now this is empty. Ooh! This is 4. So here we have 6. Actually, I'm already at 7 HP, so I need to expand to the corners. Speedrunning is very fun. I actually have full clear in under 5 minutes. Like 4:38 is my personal best full clear. 14, 20, so there's a 7, right? 15, 22, yes, so here's 7. 2 7s! I've never seen 2 7s near each other, actually. Am I correct? 13, 20, no, it is wrong, it is wrong. 15, 22, it's 5. Yeah, 7s can be together. But I make it harder by simply not marking any... Yeah, I mean, I can see that being like an advanced gameplay tactic. Streamer was a pocket calculator. I'm actually kind of bad at math, and this Minesweeper makes me better at math, so it's cool. So this is a bit of a gamble. So the reason why I'm not expanding here, because this could be 8. Actually, this can't be 8, so I can take this one. It can't be 9. So yeah. Oh, you see? So I accidentally guessed it correctly. 16, so this is 5. This will be the Slime King. Yeah. Nice. And I need to expand to this corner. So we have 5 plus 4, 9. So here we have 10. Like theoretically we can have like 7 here or some shit. So I would prefer to not do this. I have like 8, 10, 17 here. It's also kind of dangerous. So it's kind of dangerous to expand here. So I would rather, I guess, take this 5 And yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm looking for the Mine King in one of the corners. So now I know for a fact it's either here or here. So by the time I get 10 HP, I can just click it. And this one is the best because then we can just know that, okay, if the second floor is here. Boop. It requires a lot of mental RAM. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, and especially if you want to do it, you know, as fast as you can. 8. So yeah, now we have 8 HP, so we can actually click here. Okay, we had 4 and the second floor is here. 18. So clicking here would still be a gamble, so I would not do it. I'll just take another 4. Oh, we can put. Yeah, I'll just take this 4. We are actually kind of slow on hearts. I didn't uncover much hearts. It might pose a problem later. Like in a couple turns. I need more hearts. This is one of those seeds where all the hearts like concentrated somewhere like here. So now I want to uncover one of these. Oh, here's the heart. So if this is 4, 2, and if this is 14, so if this is 4, oh, so this is empty, we know this is 10. Yeah, we know this is the Mine King. We found him. This is one of the like objectives you need to pursue when you are near the 10 HP, because the Mine King will blow all of the mines that are marked like this. And it's actually, I just found 2 of them, which is one of those seeds that I don't like. So here's the second mine for this one, because this can't have any. And this is 1, because yeah. What else? I guess this is the second one. Yeah. So now, what do we have? We have 6. 6, so 11, 4 is here. Yeah, let's just 11, so it's 3. This is 2, 5, this is 5. This is the Rat King. Yeah, and now we uncovered all of the single ones. This is an empty one. One of those is 6. Yeah, level up, by the way. No, wait. There's 2 here somewhere. Okay. There's 2. And now we can calculate this one. Like 9, 13. It's actually quite hard for me because this requires counting loud in English. So translating numbers kind of in English takes another bit of mental space, which makes it super hard. Oh, and this is the deceiver, like here. So 1 to 7, 10, 16, 16, wait, 8, 10, 14, 16. So this is 11. 11. I don't know, I just, you know, just try to be polite or something, or some shit. 3, here's 8. Yeah, so here's 5. So we have 8. Here's like 9. I guess these I can get 2. Oh yeah, so I will level up when I get this. We have 8 here together. 6. Oh, so here or here we have a chest. On either of these we have a chest. Nice. So let's get 2. So here or here we have a bomb. It's actually interesting. So, oh wait, is this? No. That's weird. Yeah, it's okay. We have bomb on one of those, and then we have 9 together here. No, it's all good. I just got confused a little bit. The letter might just be because I speak Polish on basic level. I see. So 9, we have 9. So we can click here. Ooh, 7. Ah, shit. So I think here's the 5 then, right? It can be here. It can be here. So 5 is here. The deceiver. I need 2. So 2, this is 4. Then 4 is here or here. Actually 4 is here. 4s always come in pairs. And I need a heart. I only have 2 hearts. Right, so what do we have? I guess I click the deceiver. And what do I have here? So one of these is a chest. I can click here because I only... Yeah, oh nice. So this is a chest. Yeah. Because we had a Minotaur here. And then this is 3. Now 6. We only have 4 left, so I would rather not gamble. I just take one of the 4s. I guess this one, because it will open up. Here, 9. Nice. So 8. So 3 here. 6 here. So yeah, here we have a bomb. Here we have 2. So here we have 4. And I guess we have another 4 here. Right, so yeah, another 4 here. 9. So this is an empty one. This is a wall segment. This is a 3. What else? So we have to expand here. We have no, like, not much choice. 5 and 1. So... Oh, no, this is actually a mistake. Wait. Yeah. So one of these is 6, and one of these is empty. And I have 6 left, so I'll just, like, YOLO it. So here's the 6. So this is also 6. This is also 6, so I will open these 2. Oh, so there's literally another one of these. That's pretty cool. So here we have 2 bombs and 1 chest. That's insane. So finally we have 10 left, so I can uncover the Mine King here, killing him, and explode all of the bombs. And now I can collect bombs. Раз, два, три, четыре, 5. There's 4 more. Okay, 6. Nice, got the clown. There's 3 more. Where are they? I mean, not here, definitely. So maybe here. Oh! So here's 6, right? No, 11 is here, so this is not 11. Yeah, this is a heart. This is a 6. I guess here's the bomb. Yeah, this is the bomb probably. Yeah, another bomb. But yeah, here's we like at the end of the game, and we will probably quite comfortably full clear this motherfucker. So this is 3. 13. Wait a second. This is wrong? Is it? 8 no, it's 6, 15, so this is 7. 11, 13, yeah. So this is another bomb, nice. And we practically uncovered everything but this little square, so we just press here and there is a bomb, look at that. Who could have thought? That's it, right? So now we can get the mimic, this is a mimic. 11. Cool, and now we're basically just clearing the board. We've uncovered everything. So 9 and 2. Level up. Another 9, because lovers leave hearts, so I can use them later. That's why I usually kill them first. Now we do 8s and 4s, if I have any left. Again, 8 and 4. Heart. 8 and 4. Level up. Now we can do 8 and 5. Level up. 8 and 5. Level up. So we are out of 8s. Now we can do 7 and 6. We need a heart. Again, like 7 and 6. Level up. And now we can do 7 and 7. But I think we're out of 7s. So now we do like 7. We don't have any 6. So we have to do 5 and 2. That's how I usually clean it up. I just make sure I can use all of my HP at the end. I'm out of 6, so now I just use 5. Do I have 4? Yeah, I can do 5 and 4. Again, 5. So 4, and I can do 3 and 2. And I need a heart. And I would just have like a little ones left. Oh, I just realized I didn't kill the dragon. That's actually could have been a big mistake. You need to kill the dragon. Sometimes I forget to kill the dragon and then at the end I left out without any HP left for him. Which is like, you know. No! I don't think this will actually kill me, but I might have made a mistake here. I actually don't think so. Yeah, we're fine. Here's full clear. In 18 minutes because I tried to explain everything, but yeah. This is how you full clear Dragon Sweeper. I actually haven't gambled a single time here. Yeah, very good game, highly recommend. Here. My record is full clear in under 5 minutes, like in 4 minutes 38 seconds. GG's, yeah. Whew. I mean, that was a good day today. I don't even think I will continue actually working because we have a window. Yeah, it flashes and then crashes because we have segmentation fault, but now we are switching to input module and we can actually start porting the input module, which should be easier because we already have OpenGL in place and we have window creation in place. So we have one piece of the puzzle left and then we can start cleaning shit up. And I know that the porting input will take me another like hour or 2. So I would expect it to be done on the next stream. So I think next stream we will finally get our program back. That would be at least my, not assumption, but my prediction. If I would have to give one. If I would have to give an estimate, I would risk it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm done for today. Thank you, everyone. I raided Spherophore today, so today I'm gonna be raiding Kuju, our friend, Jai game developer. Go follow him. He makes a 3D game in Jai from scratch. Yeah, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow if I'm not too tired. Here's my socials. Discord is where I post when I go live. That's gonna be it from me. And thank you, everyone. Have a nice evening. Bye.